Welcome back to HB Car Review. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most luxurious and highly anticipated vehicles of the future travel segment, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of elegance, technology, and unmatched comfort on wheels, designed for those who want the freedom of the open road without sacrificing the luxury of a five-star hotel. Mercedes has always been known for pushing the limits of automotive design, and with this motorhome they've managed to combine practicality with luxury in a way that very few brands can. Starting with the exterior, the first impression is nothing short of breathtaking. The 2026 model carries a sleek and futuristic design that still manages to preserve the signature Mercedes character. Its aerodynamic body lines are not just for looks, they enhance efficiency on long journeys. The massive panoramic windshield gives a commanding view of the road ahead, while the LED lighting system around the body gives the motorhome a sharp and modern presence, even at night. The side profile reveals extendable slide-outs, which increase the living space once parked. The rear features a stylish integrated spare wheel design and a storage compartment large enough to hold outdoor gear, bikes, or even compact scooters. On the roof, you'll find advanced solar panels that provide renewable energy to power the essentials, further proving that Mercedes has designed this vehicle with both sustainability and convenience in mind. Moving inside is where the true magic happens. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome feels more like stepping into a private suite than a vehicle. High-end materials like real wood, brushed aluminum, and premium leather are used throughout. The spacious lounge area features reclining captain chairs that swivel to face a smart entertainment system, complete with a massive 60-inch OLED screen and an immersive surround sound system. Ambient lighting with customizable colors adds to the luxury feel, letting you set the perfect mood whether you're relaxing at night or working during the day. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher, all seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. The countertops are made of lightweight but durable stone composite, giving you that upscale feel without compromising practicality. The sleeping quarters are another highlight. Mercedes has designed a master bedroom with a king-size memory foam bed, smart climate control, and noise reduction insulation that ensures you get the same quality sleep you would expect at home. There is also an option for an additional fold-out guest bed, making it suitable for families or long journeys with friends. The bathroom offers a spa-like experience with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a self-cleaning toilet system. Every detail inside has been carefully thought out to maximize comfort and convenience. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Motorhome is no slouch. Powered by a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain, it offers strong torque for highway cruising and mountain climbs, while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. The electric mode is particularly useful for silent driving in eco-sensitive areas like campgrounds or nature parks. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain, and Mercedes has included its latest driver assistance package, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly easy. Safety has also been prioritized with advanced braking systems, collision avoidance technology, and smart sensors that monitor tire pressure, weight distribution, and blind spots in real time. As for pricing, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome sits at the very top of the luxury segment. The base model starts around $380,000, but with customization options and premium packages, it can easily go well beyond $500,000. While that may seem steep, it's important to remember that this motorhome is essentially a luxury home and vehicle combined into one. For those who value freedom, style, and comfort, the price is justified by the quality and innovation Mercedes has put into this masterpiece. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome represents a new era of travel. It blends elegance, high-tech features, and powerful performance into a single package that redefines what a motorhome can be. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, long-term travel, or simply want the best on wheels, this vehicle proves Mercedes is in a league of its own when it comes to combining practicality with luxury.